Hi guys, I have Happy Meal from my boo Toni. Oh my gosh, what did she do? She didn't say anything. She just put it in the mail. I had no earthly idea. Toni is too good to me. And this box is jingling. Listen, wait, listen. Like, why is she the best? And look how cute. She put like wrapping paper on the top. That is so cute. I hid our, even though we both have P.O. boxes, but still, I don't know if Toni won't have business on the street. So I just didn't, you know, I covered it up. I covered it up, even though my P.O. box is literally in my description bar of every video. But, you know, you just never know. Toni's is it. So I don't know. She wants her stuff all over. Anyway. Oh my gosh, you guys. What is it? It's jingling. It's so happy. She's so good at like a theme. Like she's so good at like executing, you know, like Tina. Tina from Tina's Creations is also. Okay, Toni, you want me to, you didn't want me to open the box though. Let me see. Hold on. Let's see. I think it's user error, guys. It's user error. Okay. It's user error. Oh, I am in a very merry mood because my P.O. box was filled with merry mail packages and they could not have come at a better time. I have not been merry, guys. That's why you haven't heard from me, because I have been just not, okay, I can't open this box. I have not been feeling good at all. I've been feeling horrible, actually. Not feeling good is an understatement. I've been terrible. I've been in the hospital. I've been not in the hospital. I've been at the doctor's. I've been everywhere, here, there, and everywhere. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, it's filled with stuff. I opened the bottom because the top didn't want to be opened. And I'm gonna, okay guys, let's try this. Am I crazy? Yes. Look at what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pour everything out because I couldn't get the top of the box open, okay? So we may do, but now we get to see the prettiness. This paper's, where did you find this pretty, this is so pretty. Look how cute, she matched everything. She's so fancy. Look at these little balls, snowballs. There's snowballs in here. Toni, if there's any hair in here, we're gonna have a big problem, okay? That's all. I'm just kidding. Although she did put these little stringy things, probably to look like hair because that's just how she is. But I know this is not hair, Toni. These don't scare me, Toni. Look how cute. So she does everything so well. She's so good. Look at this. Look at the snowballs. Like we're having a snowball fight. Okay, look how cute this is. Oh my God, this is season's greetings. Oh my gosh. Merry Christmas to you and yours. Hope you have a wonderful, crafty New Year's as well. I was going to send my hairbrush balls to you, but decided not to. She's so ridiculous. This is what I'm saying. This is the Toni plays. So she sent me these. These are perfect. This is a perfect substitute, Toni. I cannot take her. She plays too much. Okay, she plays. Oh my gosh, how cute! So she sent me these instead. Okay, this is cute. These are cute hairballs. Toni, girl, we have to stop being friends. That's it. It's over after that. That is it. Look at this, you guys. Why is it so cute? Why am I yelling? I'm just so excited. Look at this. This is the jingle bell to Lisa from no, she did not. No, she did not. Okay, wait. Look at what she did, you guys. Okay, first of all, let's address the fur. That is this little trim. She has the best stuff. I had my husband, we were watching one of her videos of where she keeps all her Halloween stuff under the bed. Jason, look at what she does. She made me labels. Why is she so sweet? Oh my gosh, you guys. I need labels. I made some with Poochie's things. I've been using those. Those are gone. Look how cute. Made with love. Yes, everything is made with love. Look at the little guy here, the little mug. They're so cute. And Toni's been making little cutesy mugs with the little fluffy stuff on, you know, the little clay thing. She's very fancy, you guys. She does fancy stuff. I'm sure you're already subscribed to her, but if you're not, what are you even doing? How could you be over here and not over there? How? So cute. Thank you, Toni. I love personalized things. It's just, somebody took their time. Toni, how you be doing all this stuff though? Because I know you got all those kids like me. Oh, how are you getting it done? There's so many kids. I have so many. You have so many. You have one more than me. And I have so many. Look how cute these are. I love these so much. Thank you, Toni. How cute. I need to do this. Oh, did you make these with your fancy, Toni has a label machine thing that she uses for like her, like when she prints her labels and stuff. I don't have one of those. I just use like my regular printer, but maybe I need to get one on Temu. Like a cheap one. Okay, let's get into all, look at the goodness. Look at this. What is this? Okay. All right. Calm down, Lisa. Calm down. Okay. All right. I can't. It's too much. I'm too excited. All right, let me do this. Did you make this button? I saw a girl that makes buttons, like literally her whole shop is buttons. And I'm like, man, I never would have thought of this, but like who would not want to get this adorable? And I almost bought the button press, the We Are Makers button press, because I'm like, do I want to start making buttons? But then I'm like, Lisa, how many buttons are you really going to make? But now look, it's a sign. I'm supposed to have, or are these Andrea Bethke's buttons? Did she make these buttons and you added these? This is so cute. I have this die and I have not used it, and putting it on this embossed paper is just perfect. This is either Basil or Doodlebug. You know, it might be Doodlebug because I know Toni's been doing some OfficeSupply.com hauls. I haven't. It wasn't me. I didn't enable her to do any of them because I didn't post any of mine. I've been hauling my stuff in secret. Okay, look how cute. She made these little things. Okay, also, if you follow Toni, you've been looking at her teacher gift chronicles, and this is what this reminds me of. Because she like says she'll like do these beautiful things for the teachers at her kids' schools, and they don't say thank you. And I'm just like, how does someone send you something and you don't say thank you? You know what? That's also something, because some of you guys do swaps. And you don't tell the host that you or not the host, the person who sent you the thing, you don't say, hey, I got your thing, thank you. And I just can't understand it, because they took time, hard energy. I mean, you don't have to like have a parade, but like saying thank you is just, okay, Toni, what's going on here? What is going on here? I think underneath here, I think I'm gonna have to cut this, but also I could just open the top, but I'm just like used to opening everything at the bottom. All right, just cut it, Lisa. Just cut it and stop this charade and cut it. I love hand soap because I am a germaphobe. Seriously, like not joking, like an actual one, but I am doing much better. And look how cute this is. So she has a candy cane, which this might be my second candy cane of the year, which is crazy. And look how she put so smart. You know how they give you the ribbon in the store? I think this is Andrea Bethke's thing, because I think I recognize this little guy here. Because Toni made me buy stuff from her website. She forced me to do it. She forced me. She enabled me. Look how cute the shred is. Did you make the shred? I mean, how is it the perfect colors? How? Oh, you know what? She does have a video where she talks about her shred. This is so cute. And look how you did this. This is such a good idea. I have these. I get them because I'm like, they're giving them away. And Twisted Peppermint. I've never tried this scent, but look how cute. It's pink with a bow on it. It has to be good. Hold on, I'm going to smell it, you guys, and tell you. Oh my gosh, it smells good. See, this I'm going to have to hide from my children because they don't care if it's pink. Yes, I have 3 boys. Do they care? No, they do not care that it's pink. They will take my stuff. These are so pretty too. I love what they did with the, you know what? I did a Bath and Body Works haul. I didn't get any soap because what was I thinking? But I did get a bunch of candles as is my custom. Buy all the candles, at least enough to last me a whole year. And they have this new, like this prettiness on the front of them. And I love it so much. And the candles have it too. So I bought them in bulk, and I don't care that they're going to be used year round. But they're so cute. They're going to make me happy all year. Look at this little cutie guy. He's so cute. Where's he from? He's adorable. Oh, is he from... Wait, is this part of it? Is he from Walmart? Did he come with the bow? No, impossible. I think she bought these bows from Michael's. Oh, yes, she did. Oh, he did come from... I didn't see him. But I only shop online, so I'd be missing stuff. That's why I like hauls, because I'm not going to see it. What a sweet gift. And so perfect. I do not have any of this in red at all. And this is like the perfectest thing. I have, Retta from LeaveItToCrafts had sent me like a whole, last year during my favorite things thing. That's why I love the favorite things swap, because you get to see like stuff that people actually use. That's one of the things that I love about it. I love watching the videos. I watch my own videos. So, you know how YouTube did like the thing where they tell you, kind of like everybody does, Spotify, whatever. They give you like your wrap up. Why am I on my own wrap up? I am my own favorite YouTube channel because I told you guys, I watch my own videos because I want to see the stuff again. Like, even if it's me sharing it, like how other people are like, oh my God, I hate watching my videos. I hate my voice. No, I don't have that problem. Not because I love my voice, but because I love the stuff. Like, I will rewatch this video because I want to see myself opening it as if it's not me opening it. I don't know how to explain. Like, that's why I watch you guys' videos, because I love to watch them. Like, nothing brings me more joy. Why is this so stinking cute? Where is this from? This is so cute. I'm gonna have to remove it from this box. I bought these this year. Okay, Toni, you're gonna get one of these for me because when my Merry Mail actually hits, you know, when it comes out, which isn't gonna be, I don't know. It might be in the new year. Who knows? But I bought these and I'm putting them in there in a different way. So cute. I love these little boxes. I bought some for Valentine's Day. Well, my husband did because I can't even go to the stores because I am on the sick and shut-in list. Look how cute. I've never had one of these because I just feel like, I don't know why I don't get myself this stuff. Now, I will buy them and send them to people, but I don't keep any. And this is so cute, and I will be using it in my hot chocolate. So we have, oh, the s'mores one. That's a yummy one. I love the s'mores. And we have this. So cute. What a cute package. Oh my gosh, look. Look how cute. I bought these from Hobby Lobby. Did not use them. I don't have anything. I didn't make a sequins mix or anything. Oh my gosh, I'm going to eat these immediately. Immediately. I'm going to give the dark chocolate ones to my hubby because he loves them and I like to share, I guess. But everything else is mine, okay? Yes, there's 3 pieces. I'm having 2. He'll have 1. And that's caramel. And I got a Swiss Miss. I like a Swiss Miss. And I can put this in here. And I can put this in here. Toni thought of everything. She's like, okay, 2 hot chocolates, 2 marshmallows. So cute. I can't get this back in. I can't. It's over. And then there's one more thing. Look at my desk. It's just like a mess of goodness. Look how cute this is. You guys have put me, Toni, you've put me in such a good mood. No. Okay. So Toni has been making over the top beaded items, which are the type that I like. Okay. Some people are like, oh, it's too much. Not me. The more, the merrier. Look how cute these are. Wait. Okay, wait a minute. All right, open it, Lisa. Before you start making assumptions. But also your assumptions might be right. You guys, look at this pen. Look at this pen. This is green. P.S. Just in case you thought it was black. It is not. It is not. It is green. Look at this adorable pen. These, so cute. These, so cute. I got these from the Rosette Guru. Did I get them in red, though? I don't know. This is so cute. Toni, look at how the top is fancy. This is fancy. This is very fancy. Toni's been, listen, she's been in her bead bag. As a matter of fact, Toni, we talked about this. Next time you're on Whatnot, just send me a little message, you know? It can be the 2 of us in the show. We'll just tell anyone else. Just us. Just the 2 of us. And then we can take turns. You get one, I get one. You get one, I get one. That's it. That's how we're going to do it. And then we're both going to pay $2. That's what we need to do, okay? Also, I'm following the girl that you said, but she's not having shows. Why? I messaged her. I'm like, girl, are you going to have a show ever again or no? And then look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Cookie scented. My mood boosting, which is I desperately need, shower bomb. Now, I have never used a shower bomb before, but unwind and relax. So you put it under, you put it under the water stream. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? This is so cute. What a good gift. I love everything, Toni. Thank you so much. You are so sweet and so thoughtful. And I don't know how you do it because you have like, you know, a mega channel. So I'm sure you get 1,000 comments a day. And then you have all those kids. And then you have like, you know, other life responsibilities. But then you also find a way to like go to people's channels, comment, you know, and I'm sure people DM you constantly. Like, I don't know how you do it. I cannot imagine. And I'm just so grateful to be on the receiving end of your kindness. You're so sweet. Your happy meal is coming. One of these days when I can finish it. Because I've just been crafting. I can't stop. And then I got sick. So for the last month, I've just been sick basically. And that sucks for me because now Christmas is over and I'm not done. I'm not ready to be done. Also, you introduced me to Ebony. So that also is a good thing that you did for me this year. So thank you, Toni. Thank you guys for watching me and my psychoticness. Now I know a lot of you guys. You guys are so sweet. Honestly, my best friend's like, you found your people on the internet. And I really think that I did because I am a crazy person. No one denies it, okay? I don't deny it even. My husband doesn't deny it. He loves it. He loves my crazy. But you guys love my crazy too, and that just makes me so happy. Now, not all of you love my crazy, but the people that don't say anything. And I love that for me. The people that do, though, do. And you guys are just such a blessing to me, and I just... Toni, where'd you get this from? This is pretty. Okay, my brain. Squirrel. I'm like Dory. This is so pretty, though. Oh, for real. Send me the link, though. I need this. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are the sweetest. You know what? I just had a thought, which I need to write down because it'll be gone. I'm going to make a thank you video at the end of this year. Before the year end is out. I'll probably release it like on December 31st. I'm going to record it soon. And I just want to thank so many of you because you are just amazing. And yeah, you guys are just the best. And you just help me so much. You'll never understand or know. You could never know. It's impossible. It's too much. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.